most likely the wreck we saw coming the other direction. Now, I'm gonna get a closer look.
See if I can get through there.
Okay, a little off-roading. Oh, they've cleaned it all up already? Big fire.
Walks of life, women, seniors. There's guys that have had careers in corporate offices, and when they retire, they're bored, so they come out and drive a truck. It's something new, you know.
If you didn't see it in the previous video, this is what it looked like just a few hours ago. We were hoping to find out if the driver's okay and what happened to the tractor and what happened, but often these things just remain mysteries. Anyway, they've got it cleaned up. We hope the driver's okay and we keep on trucking. All right, everybody, thanks for joining us. Please do give the video a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. Check out all these antlers in the back of this guy's truck and trailer, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye. And please drive safe out there.